Speakers for the more aquatic lifestyle. We'll tell you all about them next on Black Edition. What's going on, everyone? I'm Layman with Black Edition. When you're out cruising the countryside, the right music can really enhance the experience. The same can be said when you're out cruising the lake. Rockford Fosgate's Punch Marine speakers help you bring your favorite soundtrack to the water. Factory boat speakers are a lot like factory car speakers. Yeah, they'll get the job done, but when you really want to crank them up, they fall extremely flat. The PM2652X is a 6.5-inch element-ready speaker that is perfect for boats, ATVs, or basically any vehicle where your speakers are exposed to the weather. The mid-range driver is constructed of mineral-filled injection-molded polypropylene materials and features integrated UV inhibitors protecting it from sun exposure. Bridge-mounted over the mid-range is a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter providing high output and sonic clarity. The tweeter is coated for protection against the elements and UV radiation, preventing it from breaking down over time. By bridge mounting the tweeter over the mid-range cone, it gives the speaker a full-range component quality sound. The mid-range is then attached to a UV-stable Centrex plastic injection-molded frame assembly by using a thermoplastic elastomer surround. It is then treated for protection against UV radiation, salt, and water to ensure a long lifespan. The design provides maximum cone control and excursion. For additional protection and linear control, the cone is also attached to a moisture, fatigue, and tear-resistant aramid fiber spider. Covering the speaker is a protective UV-stable Centrex plastic grill assembly. In the 2652X version we have here comes in a magnificent luxury white to help it blend in with most boat interiors. The assembly uses stainless steel hardware to prevent rusting from the elements. For connection, Rockford uses insulated flex wires and corrosion-resistant gold-plated speaker terminals. The terminals feature integrated expansion connections, allowing you to connect to Rockford's PM2TS tweeter kit and their fully sealed 12 decibel octave crossover. There's also a spare terminal set for optional additional tweeters. So whether you're sailing the lake in your schooner or climbing the hills on your quad, Rockford Fosgate's Punch Marine full-range speakers deliver an incredible sound even in the harshest of weather. So if you're interested in a pair, just go to our website, blackedition.cc.